It's a frosty morning. 30 degrees when we got up. But it's auction day and Marcy thinks I'm gonna crash. So come along. Welcome to the show. I am the back road bidder. 30 degrees, but somebody's in a Mustang convertible. We're going to a town called Muscadet. It looks
Muskrat?
like it looks like Muscoda.
Very close up.
Alright guys, thanks for coming along with me. I'm doing another voiceover. I think I'm getting better at these. This auction was pretty incredible. They had everything, man. They had musical instruments, vintage toys. You can see cast iron there. They had tools, quality tools. We're going to take a little look here. I'll walk you through and you can peek at it with me. And then in the next video, I'll show you the amazing things that we did pick up. It was a lot of fun. It was cold in the morning, but yeah, once we got going, we just had a great time and picked up a lot of stuff. Well, anyway, getting into this a little bit, you can see these people were into elephants, they were into dolls, they were into a lot of stuff, musical instruments. I had to check out this pith helmet because I have sold a few hard hats in the past, nothing like that one. So I'm always looking at those, I'm always looking at models. As you can see, they had some ship models here. Packer things, old ashtrays, all things that I've made money with before. So yeah, I'm gonna take a peek. My son and I are both big Batman fans, so anything Batman I'm gonna look at. And of course, vintage toys are always big. This tote here, spoiler alert, I do get this little clear tote, and I will go through and show you. There are so many neat little things in there. I'm not sure how to sell some of them, but I know they're worth money, and they're just cool. Relax, that's just a pellet gun. They don't let you handle the real guns. There were a lot of guns at this sale, but I never even bother with those. I would have picked up one of those pellet guns if they had gone cheap though, but that did not happen, I can tell you that. The tools. This guy had quality tools. Name brands, Craftsman, Snap-on. You can see the Dremel box there. For some reason he had a lot of Dremels. I don't know if he was a woodworker. I didn't see any samples of his work in the auction. But yeah, he didn't mess around with cheap stuff when he bought tools. And he had a lot of them. Turn this one on.
Good, nice to meet you. You too. Yeah. Just help me
I don't know much about cameras, but I do know quality when I see it, and I'm pretty sure this one would get a pretty penny. None of these quilts were handmade. They were nice, but we weren't really interested today. But check this out. Yeah, they had some Beanie Babies, and my gosh, did they have a lot of them. We didn't even bother looking for the half dozen of them that have any value. This was odd. We found these game cases on the sporting goods wagon, and one was missing the game. I missed them when they sold. I don't think I picked those up. Had some nice hats, pretty nice selection. Some of them needed to be cleaned up, but you know, there was Harley Davidson in there, sports ones, hunting hats, really good ones. This box was cool. It looked like DVDs, and DVDs often go fairly cheap. Hey, look, it's my Holy Grail, the Holy Grail. But what a lot of people didn't notice was stuck in the middle here was some PS2 games. Of course, not huge value, but I wanted this box. I knew I was going to put this on my want list. More instruments. This was a Hohner, which if Hohner is known for harmonicas, but I figured, you know, it's considered fairly good quality, so I thought that might be worth going after. I don't know. I've never heard of Hohner guitars, but there's a lot of things I haven't heard of. Get out of my way, buddy.
His wife's a chemist. Oh.
Now here's some fun stuff. Toys, toys, toys! This box I almost ignored. I kind of peeked at it and then I went back because this is a cool slot car set. I know I'm going for that one. A lot of good Tonkas and Nilt toys there. Or, yeah, I think it's pronounced Nilt. Great stuff. Pop bottles are everywhere. Some people are into those, not this guy. When's this auction starting? Jeez. There's always flatware. I know there's some money there, but I rarely go after it. Did you see that to the right there? What's coming up? You gotta love it. You'll see him in a minute. Knives, I've got a lot of knives. I'm avoiding them for now. That is quite enough of that. No, don't need Pee-wee in my life right now.
There's your winner.
Alright everyone, thanks for sticking around this long. We're almost to the end. I do want to end this video by letting you listen to the auctioneers, just because, I don't know, some people don't get to experience that, and I thought maybe that would be something that they could check out on YouTube and catch what real live auctioneers sound like. So here you go.
Spike, 58's the buyer, 7.5 to 58. Now, we got this little pedal car. Oh, the little pedal car right there. What do you want to give on that one? Give 150 again. 150, better give 150 to 1, 1.5, better give 150 to 1, 1.5, 25, 50 bucks. 50 bucks, better give $50, better give 50, 50, 50 to 150, better give $50, 150, 25, give 35, 35, now 45, better give 45 and 145, better give it now 55, 55, 55, better give 55, 45's there, you gotta be 55, better give 55 and 155, 45 and 155, better give 55, 45 and 155, better give 55. Sold it. 45 bucks. Number 4 is the buyer. 45, number 4. Hey, got a little, is it a Tonka?
Yep, Tonka loader.
Tonka wheel.
Okay, forks.
Forks.
And a PhD.
And a post hole digger. That little right there. Right there, $5.10.
Yep.
Now 15, now 20, now 5, 25, now 30, now 30, 25, 30, now 5, that'll be another 5, that'll be another 35, that'll be another 35, that'll be another 5, that'll be another 35, that'll be another 35, 40. I have 35, 40, that'll be another 35, 40, $35, 40. I have 35, now 40, that'll be another 40, $35, 40, 39, 40, that'll be $40, 35, 40, 35, 40.
Did Chuck go back on his word about buying dolls? Did he score some vintage toys and tools, or did he blow his budget on Beanie Babies? Tune in next time to find out.
I should be more like Harry Humstone. Auction overtime! You can stop it now. Am I even in the shot?
How fat are you?
You can stop, I said.
I don't want to.
Give me the damn camera.
No.